Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the serene beauty of Carrabelle Beach, Florida. This coastal gem is located just west of the city of Carrabelle on Highway 98. It offers a tranquil retreat with its white sand shores and gentle waves. This easily accessible beach provides convenient parking, outdoor showers, restroom facilities, and covered picnic tables, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and family outings. Historically, Carrabelle Beach played a significant role during World War II. The area was part of Camp Gordon Johnston, established in 1942 as a major U.S. Army amphibious training center. Today, a historic marker at the beach commemorates this important chapter in history. Carrabelle Beach is part of Florida's Forgotten Coast, a stretch known for its unspoiled and sparsely populated coastline. The beach offers opportunities for sunbathing, swimming, beachcombing, and surf fishing. Wildlife is abundant, with chances to spot dolphins in the Gulf waters and a variety of bird species along the shore. Nearby, the Crooked River Lighthouse stands as a beacon of the area's maritime heritage. Constructed in 1895, this historic lighthouse is located just a short walk from the beach and offers visitors a glimpse into the nautical history of the region. As the journey along Carrabelle Beach continues, the blend of natural beauty and rich history provides a memorable experience, showcasing the unique charm of Florida's Gulf Coast.
watching.